Mendeleev's periodic table.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, arranged elements on the basis of atomic masses and similarities in physical and chemical properties. Oxygen and hydrogen forms compounds with most of the elements.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Hence, Mendeleev used formula of oxides and hydrides to classify the elements. Hence, carbon and silicon can be grouped together. He took 63 cards. On each card, he wrote down properties of one element. He then sorted these cards based on similar properties. Mendeleev's observations. Most elements were arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses. Element with similar physical and chemical properties occur again after fixed number of elements. Periodic law. The properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. That is, when elements are arranged horizontally in order of increasing atomic masses, then certain set of properties get repeated periodically.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For example, Li is metal. It forms Li2O and LiH type of compounds. Similarly, sodium is metal. It forms Na2O and NaH. Thus, properties get repeated periodically. Periodic table. Formulae for oxides and hydrides are shown at the top of periodic table. For example, group, where R letter signifies any element in that group. For example, RH signifies hydrides, NaH, KH, LiH. For example, R2O signifies oxides, H2O, Li2O, Na2O. Vertical column are called groups and horizontal rows are called periods. Achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. In order to group some elements, Mendeleev considered similarity in properties instead of atomic masses. Hence, some elements with slightly higher atomic mass were placed before the elements with slightly lower atomic mass. For example, cobalt is placed before nickel. Mendeleev left some gaps in the periodic table and boldly predicted the existence of elements that were to be discovered.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For example, gallium was discovered later and named as Ica aluminium. In a periodic table, inert gases could be placed in new group since they have different properties from existing groups. Properties. They are inert, that is, valency is 0. All are gases. Limitations of Mendeleev's classification. Failed to classify hydrogen. Mendeleev's classification failed to classify hydrogen because hydrogen fulfills the properties of alkali metals as well as halogens. For example, it forms compounds like alkali metals and also exist as diatomic like halogens. Failed to classify isotopes. Elements that have same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Mendeleev's periodic table failed to place these isotopes. Failed to predict elements to be discovered. Atomic masses did not increase in regular interval. Thus, it was not possible to predict number of elements to be discovered.
If you like the video, subscribe to Learn Fatafat and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.